Assalamu alaikum viewers. Thank you very much that you people are viewing the videos and you do like my videos and you um, appreciate it and comment it. Today, the topic we are going to discuss that is all about the nail biting. Nail biting is basically a habit which is being developed as a habit in the beginning, but later on it will convert into the psychological distress and the psychological pressures and the psychological problems. There are a number of the parents, they asked me a question. Either nail biting is a habit or that is a psychological disorder. In the beginning, if they are doing it very occasionally or oftenly, then it is known as it's a habit and it will never prolong for a fairly long period of the time. But if this habit is taking more time, then this habit is converted into the psychological distress and the psychological problems. First of all, we need to see that what type of the nail biting is being done by the people. They would be simply doing that they are putting their fingers or the thumb or any nail, they will be coming closer to their mouth and they will started biting their nails instead of using the nail clippers and instead of using other manicure kit or any other tools. They would be cutting their nails and biting their nails with their mere teeth. So this is extremely unhygienic as well. Whenever this habit is prolonging for a fairly long period of time, then there is an alarming sign. And then, if there is a child in the family who is having this habit and who is developing this habit, parents need to keep a very vigilant check on their child and they need to stop them by doing this. And they need to stop it simply by saying, no, this is the only simplest method. But if the child is unable to control his this habit and he is doing it frequently, then this is the alarming sign for the parents and they need to take the child to the psychologist and the counselor to get the counseling sessions for the child and to get the therapeutic session for the child. But this is not necessary that only child is having the nail biting habit. There are a number of the adults within our society or in any other society. They are developing this habit and this habit is persistent. But why this habit occur? This habit occur if there is a tension, if there is a worry, if there is a stress, if the child or person is very much anxious, who is taking so much stress, who is taking uncomfortable, and he is unable to decide what to do, what not to do, and he is feeling so much discomfort with the environment, with his emotional state. He is unable to cope up with his emotional state, and this habit is persisting, and he want to get the relief from his anxieties and the worries, and he need to get some way out, and he will be getting the way out as a nail biting, and he will do the nail biting, and whenever he is doing it, his anxiety and the stress and will be relieved, and he will be feeling more comfortable with it after a longer period of keeping the nail biting. He may put one finger in the mouth for a longer period of time. When there is no nail left on it, then he will be taking the next finger would be the victim. Then when next finger's nail is also gone, then he would be looking for the third finger, then the next finger, and this goes on for till he get the loss of half of all the nails. And if you make the observation of such people, their nails will be so much down and it will reach to their roots because they have done rest of their nails with the nail biting, and it looks so awful, it looks so back awkward. But they are unable to control this habit. They want to control this habit, but we need to see who is the more victim of the nail biting. Children are also victim of the nail biting. They are doing it, they are developing this habit, and they are also developing this habit. But there are some adults within the society who are doing the nail biting. What's the reason behind it? Because they are unable to control their emotions, they don't feel comfortable with their emotions, they don't feel happy with their emotions and thoughts, and they are very much impatient. They cannot control their own emotions, and they become so much frustrated with it. whenever there is something happen in the environment without their wish and the will, then they immediately start doing nail biting, and this is the peak of the anxiety level. And whenever their anxiety episode is over, then they will be feeling relaxed and they will be putting their hand down from the mouth, and they never care for that in the surrounding people would be viewing them. I am witness of few adults and even the teenagers how they have been doing the nail biting, and they have been doing it for a fairly long period of time. Whenever their anxieties were over and their issues were resolved, they stop this habit. We need to see what is the connection of the nail biting with the rest of the psychological disorders. Yes, according to the DSM-4 and the DSM-5, American Psychological Association has clearly defined that there is a connection of the nail biting with the OCD as well. There is the underlying OCD in those people, and there is also a connection of ADHD, attention deficit syndrome, and there is also association of MDD, major depression. Such people may have more chances of developing all these three above mentioned psychological distress and the psychological disorders. Whenever there are people who are biting their nails, for the children, parents can easily adopt various strategies and the tactics for controlling their this habit. But before this, we also need to make it clear, and we parents and the other people and the elderly people, they need to tell them that this is very much unhygienic for them. And whenever they will be biting their nails, it will be taking harmful germs to their stomach, which may leads to the various stomach problems and the gastric issues and various other unhygienic issues can occur while they are not reluctant to leave this habit and to skip this habit. This is the main thing. They need to tell them that this is very much unhygienic habit and this is not appreciated, and they need to stop them then and there. And some of the parents would be going and taking the fingers and holding the hand and started spanking on the hand. Why you have put in your mouth again? The simplest thing for the children is just put the gloves on their fingers. Whenever the gloves are being put on the child's hand, they will stop developing this habit. But what to do with the adults? We need to have the psychological sessions and the psychological help for them to relieve the distress, to bring the calm and the relaxation of their mind whenever they are encountering with such sort of the situation. And for this, they need to go for the behavior therapy, because whenever the thought is not changed, then no behavior can be changed. They need to bring the proper awareness for it, that this is a very bad thing. You need to divert your attention and start doing knitting, because such people need to have a very much activity which is hand oriented. If your hands are involved in any type of the activity, either that is the making the painting, start doing drawing. If there is a child, they can make the drawings with their hands. So if their hand will remain busy, then they will never be biting their nails anymore. And if they start making some other thing, or they start doing with the handiwork, like if they started doing any type of the activity, give them the task of writing. If they start eating nails, then there are number of the things which can be done to eliminate this habit. Because if once this habit is eliminated, then they will never more prone to this habit. And first is that they need to wear the gloves. This is very helpful for the children. Second is, if there is a give some task, do this task. They can uh, play the piano. If they start playing the piano, one is that music is very much soothing for them, and while they are playing the piano, their fingers will be busy in doing some task. Because why they keep engaged their fingers? They keep engaged their fingers because they want to relieve their anxiety and they want to relieve their stress. And if they are using their fingers and playing the piano, or they are playing the guitar, then their fingers will again engaged, and they will feel relaxed from their mental stress, and they will feel no more boredom. Because another reason which is leading towards the nail biting, that is known as the it is because of the boredom. Because if children are getting bored and they got nothing to do, then they start doing the nail biting. So to eliminate their boredom, we need to keep them busy in some other activity. They can write something on the board. You can buy them a small board at home, and they would be making the drawings and writing something on the board. Then they would be removing it, and then their hands will remain busy, and it will be busy in the positive activity instead of the negative activity. And if they make the drawings, that is also very helpful. Playing the piano is also very helpful. Then putting the gloves on their hands is also very much helpful. And lastly but not the leastly, they need to have the counseling sessions. And the parents need to guide them that it's not a good habit, it's unhygienic, it will not be um, helpful for your health. And they need to give the awareness that if rest of the people are acting normally, you need to copy them. Because in the children, this is a common thing that they would be imitating from their elders. If any of the child within the family he is doing the nail biting, then the rest of the child may do it from the vicarious learning, and he will do it because he has learned it, he has copied it. These are the things which needs to be controlled with the psychological help, and it's very easy to control. It's not a serious thing, but it will not never be controlled. Then it would be leading towards the other psychological mental disorders and the psychological distress. Then it would be very much difficult to bring back the child or adult or adolescent from this bad habit. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.